Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then scroll down again, click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. You can make them visible by clicking on this gear next to Password Manager and making sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Then just log in to one of your apps and tap on Save in Password Manager pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here. Finally, to add any other one from those settings, click on plus next to Search Passwords. Now you can enter website data or tap on Select App and click on the chosen one. In my case, maybe Netflix. Then enter your email or username, password, and some helpful notes. I will go with some gibberish. When you finished, just tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my Netflix password was successfully added to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!